Hello and welcome back to another episode of Unstuff America. So, the real prize is your life back, not a tidy sock drawer. Why do you want to get organized? That's not a rhetorical question. Why? Why now? Has something happened recently that has motivating you, or are you waking up from a winter slumber? Do you have to move? Has a loved one died? Or is this just your most recent attempt to simplify your life? Whatever the reason, I'm glad you're here. But let's be clear. Decluttering your home, your office, your life is the booby prize. Getting your life back, getting free time to do the things you've been dreaming of, complaining about, writing about, fantasizing about, that's where we're heading. And pitching in. I am unapologetic about that last one. This is not all about you. The clutter and disorganization, the poor time management, that is all about you. But on the other side of organization, where everything has a home and you can find anything in 30 seconds or less, what happens then? More crap? Shopping for bargains or collecting more collectibles? You just got rid of too much stuff. Do you really need new stuff already? How about actually doing something significant with your life? Because the world is waiting for you. Yes, you. Even you. If you are the person saying to yourself, I can barely find my keys in the morning. The world isn't waiting for me. The bus isn't even waiting for me. Even when I run down the block to catch it, it doesn't wait for me. Now, I can't speak for your bus driver, but the rest of us are waiting for you. We can't do this without you, simply because you're here. There's no other qualification you need to participate than that you are here right now in this moment. So if you think you have nothing to give or nothing significant to give, I'm just going to call bullshit. You do. What you don't get to do is decide what is significant. That's the part that we'll do, and time will do. Time will determine whether your efforts are significant or not on a grand scale. But for the person struggling right now to open the front door, your extra hand is significant. Social media has only made this sense of self-consciousness more acute. It's so far beyond our previous obsession with celebrity that now anyone with a cell phone or near a cell phone is self-conscious and at the same time completely self-obsessed. So don't pay so much attention to yourself and start looking around. What can you fix? Now that you don't need to spend your time looking for crap, what can you fix in the world? Who needs a helping hand? Who needs your attention? Who needs what you have to offer? Start shopping for that. Start shopping for someplace to dig in and help out. God knows there's no end to things that need repair right now, so it shouldn't take you too long to figure out what to do next. And you can bet that when you're finished with whatever it is you decided to focus on, it's not going to involve bringing home a souvenir. So get your shit together, simplify your life so you can make someone else's life better too. The world didn't start with you. It likely won't end with you. So go make a difference. We're waiting for you. That's why you got organized.